Hi guys, here is how you can automatically repair databases on WordPress. Now for that, open your website. So this is our demo site. Now simply go to wp-admin/maint/repair.php and enter. So we will need to add this to our wp-config file to make this work. So copy this. And now we need to access the WordPress files. If your website is working, you can access your site files using plugins like File Manager. If not, then use FTP or cPanel. We will be using cPanel. We are already logged in. Now go to File Manager and go to public_HTML and locate all your files. And here are all our files. Open wp-config file. Right-click and click on Edit. Edit. Now in here, scroll down and paste the code here and save changes. So this is done. Now let's refresh this page. So you can repair database or repair and optimize database. Let me choose repair and optimize. And this is all done. Repair is complete. Please remove the following line from the wp-config file to prevent this page from being used by unauthorized users. So let's remove this line. Delete this. And save changes. And if I refresh this, this is all done. Thank you very much.